Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get deleted TikTok video back. First, open TikTok. From here, go to your profile. Then tap the three lines located on the upper right part of your screen. There will be a pop-up where it says Creator Tools and Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy. Here you'll need to scroll down. Then under Support category, let's tap Report the Problem. Scroll down and select Videos and Sounds. Since the concern that we have is not under Topics, just press Others. Then press Need More Help. In here, you'll have an option to tell them directly what you need. So we will be typing our concern. Here I'll say I accidentally deleted my TikTok video. I'll include when it was uploaded, and you can add more details for you to be precise. Then press Submit. Just make sure that the email that is registered to your TikTok is your current email, because TikTok will email you the link of the video that was deleted. And that's how to get TikTok deleted videos back. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.